trip. Trip, body dip, get my chips and dip. Auto ones and watch me flip. In and out, I'm stacking pips. Market looking bearish. Body dip, body dip, body dip, body dip, body dip, body dip, body dip. Don't trip. Sour cream and onion dip. Scoop it with some ruffle chips. Sink 'em like Titanic ship. Bartender, here's a tip. This crypto face is the truth. You can even show you proof. This is market cipher school. Rory made you say, ooh, wish I had one too. Making plays on trading view, waiting on a blue triangle. I just call it blue school. Portfolio diversified, keep my balance classified. Get the look, you terrified, but when you did, you almost died. It's all good before you went to sleep. Woke up to a surprise, couldn't believe your eyes. What the hell did your money go? You like, oh my God, what the fuck happened? Bitcoin dumping in my sleep. Woke up to a market sweep. Body dip, 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 body trip. The market crashed on me, but it's not my ass, homie. Time to rise up out the flames like a motherfucking phoenix flying high in the sky. And I motherfucking mean it. Put it all on the house. I can't help it 'cause I'm greedy. Got a family, gotta feed it. All my followers, man, they need me. We can all get rich together. Talk about financial freedom. BTC, ETH, XRP, that's a threesome. With blockchain tokens, that's your boy really eating. Cryptocurrency is a gift from God. All praises to the most high. Help me beat the odds. Playing smart so I don't get rich like you pencil next. Wear a crew, call me Spider-Man. The way I spider line. Enter with precision, then I exit trades right on time. Might tell you a secret, but I'll never drop a dime. Favorite pastime, sitting back, watching candles climb. If they go the other way, keep calm and don't trip. Body dip, body dip, body dip. It ain't over for me. It ain't over for me. It ain't over for me. It ain't over for me.
What's the truth, damn it?
I'm afraid, all right? You want to hear me say it? You want to break me down? All right, I'm afraid.
Scared money don't make no money. A scared man don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money. A scared man don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money. A scared man don't make no money. some, you lose some. But you live to trade another day, live to make another play. Patience is a virtue, finna cash out any day. Stacked it to the ceiling, now I park my cars in valet. Move, bitch, get out the way. Charging that shit like a bull. Call me Scottie Pippen, cause these pips, they keep my wallet full. Bank account on overflow, now I'm down in Tokyo. Me and Flopping Groper stung the market like a Scorpio. Bullish like a rodeo, feel like I hit the lottery. Crypto face, man, already making history. Yep, you gon' remember me from trading pairs perfectly. My faith in market cipher B, double hump diversity. Why you trade nervously, add it to your misery. Gone and take some notes, better yet, why don't you follow me? Stay tuned, I'ma let you see how I rate these millies in. Save this video and make a playlist, call it Bullish Trends. Scared money don't make no money, don't be scared, make a move. Scared man don't make no money, you ain't got shit to lose. Scared money don't make no money, go on and put that trade in. Scared man don't make no money, it's time to get paid. Scared money don't make no money, don't be scared, make a move. Scared man don't make no money, you ain't got shit to lose. Scared money don't make no money, go on and put that trade in. Scared man don't make no money, it's time to get paid. A scared man don't make no money, that's the way the game go. Gotta make investments if you wanna see your money grow. Scared man don't make no money, go on and put that money up. Invest it in yourself, now you got your own checks and studs. Scared man don't make no money, signed up for market cipher, lifetime membership. Now you at the dealership, pulled off the lot in a futuristic spaceship. Paid it off immediately, that's what I call ownership. Scared to lose a stack, you might never make it back. Law of attraction, what you think is what you gonna track. All at a casino, scared gambling, now you just got cracked. Can't go home broke, heard you told your girl you got jacked. Butterflies in your stomach every time you wanna spin. Half scared, half courageous, man, the two don't blend. All or nothing, pick a side, let your heart be your guide. Heard you was indecisive, need to learn to decide. Scared money don't make no money, don't be scared, make a move. Scared man don't make no money, you ain't got shit to lose. Scared money don't make no money, go on and put that trade in. Scared man don't make no money, it's time to get paid. Scared money don't make no money, don't be scared, make a move. Scared man don't make no money, you ain't got shit to lose. Scared money don't make no money, go on and put that trade in. Scared man don't make no money, it's time to get paid, get paid. Crypto face, crypto.com.
Ooh-wee. Man, that shit goes fucking hard. Alrighty, let's, whoopsie daisy. Good morning. It's good to be back. Good to be back. We'll dive in a little bit, but, we're chilling. You know what I'm saying? We're chilling. Really no, the 30-minute, definitely some potential here on these lower time frames. Definitely some potential here on these lower time frames. If I was trying to make rent money, I'd be definitely taking some profits. By the way, how does my headset sound? It's brand new headset. Different. This, I got an expensive one. This is expensive. It's like having two titties on my ears. It's so comfortable. You
see the market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. See the market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter going up, the market going down. Keep on playing with my emotions. All I want is some
Uh,
hard for me to meditate, 'cause I'm always in motion. So
I might see if I can limit scrape little mill off Bitcoin maybe here.
looking for some crypto I can buy for the low. Market dumped all on me, I consider that a low blow. Forgot to set a stop loss, man, you slipping, that's a no. Working with this leverage got me all up in the bank vault. Put in all this work, you can't be mad, it ain't my fault. I've been slashing Rari doing
Jesus Christ, that's fucking loud.
anti-laser radar shield, nope, I will not get caught. Neighbors taking pictures when I pull up out the garage. 300K in bells and whistles, this is not a facade. Got the groupies going crazy, wanna slob on my knob. I can't teach you everything, no sir, that ain't my job. The market going up,
Okay, those got filled.
up, that means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. The market going up, that means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Crypto face, alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Market going up and down just like a pogo. Scamming in my comments, then you probably are a bozo. Been real from the start, man, then you get the memo. Offshore accounts, but my bars are on tempo.
Yeah, there's still
I RPM them.
said there's absolutely potential here. I tell you what, if anything is worrisome, it's fake Toshi being real Toshi, which, to be honest, I mean, I've kind of been, a lot of people, these people in this industry, our industry of crypto, everyone thinks they're a fucking genius, yet lack a lot of common sense in many areas. But I've always, and I've had to keep my mouth shut about it a lot. I don't know as much about blockchain and all the bullshit as other people do, and I'm not afraid to admit that. But Craig Wright's fucking Satoshi, and the other guy who was Satoshi too is fucking dead. And so he's the only Satoshi that's left. And he won his court case. I was thinking about I could really do a great video on it. I could be like, just bam, clickbait. This man's gonna dump fucking Bitcoin. Or this man can dump Bitcoin. Funny, you could say Joker all you want to, but the truth is, y'all are just going off what you've heard from other people. Most of you haven't even really dug into the fucking details. But just because he's an asshole, you think he can't be Satoshi? Who is that? And how come he has more proof than anybody, right? So we'll see. He just won this court case. Just won his court case. He said he's going to donate $50 billion. He's going to donate, not all of it, a lot of it. So imagine that whale alert. Imagine that whale alert when, oh shit, the Satoshi fucking Bitcoin has moved. You're telling me Bitcoin isn't... I need to shut my door. Never mind. Worry about it. Never mind. You're telling me this shit isn't centralized? You're telling me this shit isn't centralized? What happens? All those ETFs? What happens when the man comes in? What happens when the man comes in? Shits on Bitcoin. Pumps BSV. Dumps Bitcoin. Pumps BSV. How you gonna feel about that?
Trading is my specialty. Nobody can really mess with me. When it comes to BTC, yep, I got the recipe. In and out carefully. Fine to my strategy. Technical analysis. My whale crew some savages. Hardly check my balances. They keep on going up. Big old dog named Sid. Been a beast since a pup. Some of y'all call it luck. I call it divine intervention. When I'm pulling up, you can already see the engine. Game so cold, might as well you be see the market going up. Up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto.
And you know, whether we like to admit it or not, the flash crash bear market, whether it's standard financial markets or our new little nerdy shitter crypto community market, when the shit hits the fan, normally the masses are wrong about why. And right now, nobody would see that one coming. But the hints are there. The man, now he's said shit and not done it before. And there are, you know, reasons to be suspicious, but at the same time, the dead dude's family, I mean, it's kind of like known fact that him and dude fucking made Bitcoin. So, you know, how many passwords have you forgotten? I forget mine all the time. But he said that he made it kind of, I think he made it clear. Let me pull up the article. You don't know that he doesn't have access. You do not know. I'm already in profit, bro. What do you think I'm doing? I'm trying to take profit now. I told everyone at the beginning of the stream, like 3 minutes ago, if you're trading to get your rent, you'd probably be one of taking profits now. RSIs are split. Like I said, there's good and bad. It is curved. Listen, this is a waiting game, honestly. You know, everything's resistance. Everything's fucking resistance.
I figured we should do.
Now, did you ever think that maybe listen, he might be an asshole, a jerk. I would say I qualify to be kind of a jackass many times. I wouldn't say I'm a jerk, but that just because you think someone's a jerk doesn't mean he ain't the father to your child. Doesn't mean he didn't knock your wife, okay? Knock up your girlfriend. You don't like that guy either, but, you know, you're raising that child. Now, Craig Wright said he plans to donate much of the Bitcoin fortune to charity if we were to win at trial in an interview. So we'll see. We'll see. How long has this trial been going on for? That's what I want to know. Because it would make sense for him not to touch it, not to move it during the trial. I know this was a big trial. This was a big deal. You can't deny the possibility. Listen, it's half of 1.1 million Bitcoin. God, man, he could wreck, murder, kill, death, kill Bitcoin. If this is true, if he has access to that shit, all your ETF dreams, all of that is gone. 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 Now, the man has like 13 master's degrees. He is a very educated man. Amazing chess player. He's a dick. That doesn't mean don't mean that he ain't the father to your child.
I figured we should too.
Absolutely, it changes. If Craig Wright has access, can move it, it absolutely 100% makes a huge difference. What happens if he gets mad? Can anyone look up and find how long that trial's been going on for? It's a big deal. It's a big trial. It has to be at least a good few years.
We should too. If Jesus Christ himself had
Okay, if it's proven that 1.1 million Bitcoin is no one can access it, then why is there a trial over that Bitcoin? The trial was for half of that. Was for half of that. So if there's no access, then what's the point of the trial? It wasn't for. It was for half of that Bitcoin. But what's the point of the trial if no one's got access to it?
I figured we should too.
How many times for people that have money, how many times have you heard people with money say they're broke?
I figured we should too.
Looks like we got, what is this? Is that 785 or oh 05? Okay, we're approaching some more take profits. We're going to try to take a little profits here, skim a little off the limit. Could go, let's keep going. It could not. Absolutely time you want to be taking profits if you're trying to pay rent. At least that's what I would do. I don't know what the fuck you're doing. I don't give a fuck what you're doing. I know what I'm saying.
We should too.
We got to do something about that sound. Hang on.
We should too.
Bow wow wow yippee yo yippee yay.
We should
You see, I'm barely. I mean, we're just scraping a little bit. We've covered our fees finally. I mean, we've got what? That's about 70 grand left on the board. Took 7, 8 already. So we gotta scrape a little more off this. Whoops.
If Jesus Christ himself had prophets, I figured we should too.
Oh! Oh no! No, I shouldn't have taken profits. What was I thinking? Damn it! We shouldn't have taken profits.
We should too. I figured we should too.
It absolutely does. It absolutely does trigger moves. Yeah, when I dump a couple mil or something, there's always pushback. Tail wagging the dog. Tail wagging the dog.
If Jesus Christ himself had prophets, I figured we should too.
Now, this is a fat momentum wave. This is thick. Normally when it's thinner than this is when it's topped out, but the RSIs again are a little split, but that's a nice thick wave. Look at this little hourly VWAP coming up right here. We'll see how much juice she has. You know, we've taken 10 plus, what did I have in fees? Like 5 or 6 grand. So we've taken like 15, 16K off the board. We got 10K profit on the board, and now we got a little 5.8 mil on the board. Damn, we should just go all back in. We should go all in. Fuck it. And, man, ever since I've fucking been withdrawn and buying a bunch of crow, I've been having to pump my leverage in order to get the same similar trade and position amounts.
We should too.
What are some of the bigger moves here? We need to get back into the 420s. Oh, by the way, did we not nail the card? I'm telling you, on our last round the poop chain showing, we nailed like 4 or 5 calls on there. The Cardano, everyone was hella bullish on Cardano popping up from where it was. And I'm pretty sure I said 126 to be exact, and it came down to 125, basically 126. Basically fucking nailed that to the T. Actually, I want to hear my sound quality. I have no idea how things are sounding. My little volume mic thing says I'm always going in the red, so I'm wondering if it's like scratching or if I'm loud or if the music's loud. I have no idea. Ooh, baby. Oh, baby. Definitely should not have taken profits. Should have let it ride. We should have let it ride. Okay, holy shit. I am really loud, music really low, so I'm playing around with it. So now that I'm back in town, I gotta start signing some of these mugs and get those puppies moving. Which reminds me, I need an update from my merch team on what's going on with our pencil neck turkey shirts and shit. Hopefully they're up. Oh, baby! 420! Ooh! Ooh! Man, how about these spider lines, boy? Boy, I tell you. Is she gonna get up to, what's my entry? 51044 is my average entry now. Fuck, I shouldn't have taken profits, man. Alrighty, let's see here. Let's get this shitter Cardano off our screen. ETH, what's our entry here? Average entry is now 43.71. What's up with Crow? Let's take a look. Last time I checked, it was bouncing back. Hey, that's good. We're in the 64s. That's good to see. This shit got scary. Dang. Man, if you were able to buy, hell, even down here. Ooh. Crow, baby. Let's go. Ooh, boy. Look at that 1 hour looking good. 1 hour's looking tasty. Looking tasty. Imagine paying more than 10 cents per crow. Well, hey, man. Good for you. We're happy for you. You got in early, if that's what you're insinuating. Alrighty. Man, look at that 30-minute. Look at that trigger wave. Woo. Straight up increase in money flow. This 30-minute is the best looking time frame currently. For sure. 1 hour, not bad at all. The 1 hour is not bad at all. Wow. Really, I shouldn't have taken profits. super inward curve VWAP. Looking like this thing's, and look, it's already breaching back up. This is gonna be volatile. I think overall it should go up, but it's gonna be fucking, I think it's gonna be volatile, but I think overall it's going up. The daily on Ethereum. Man, this could really be some serious. This could be really serious if it is able to keep on punching. When we see these scrunchy trigger waves build up, and there's a little fight, but when we see this, you're talking about potential. A potential steamer. I'm steam powered piston. Fucking piston. Son of a gun. Shit, I shouldn't take a profit, but for the mindset, we're good. We got green in the realized, so that's good. We'll see. I would like this to be at least 3 instead of 2.5. I'd like it to be at least 3. So how was everyone's weekend? Man, I can't believe Ripple went down this low. Oh, wow. Wow. Boy. How about them yellow X's? What do we say? The first two are the strongest, baby. Bada bing, bada bing. Oh boy, the news is getting out. Fake Toshi's real Toshi.
Pump it up a little more. Pump it up a little more. Pump it up a little more. Get the party going on the dance floor. See, 'cause that's where the party's at. See, 'cause that's where the party's at. See, 'cause that's where the party's at. And you find out if you do that.
Fake real Toshi's gonna dump all us in the name of charity.
Pump the jam. Pump the jam. Pump it up. Pump it up. Pump it up. Pump it up. While your feet are stumping. 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 And the jam is pumping. Pumping.
What is
Bumping, bumping, look at the crowd is jumping, 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 jumping. Pump it up a little more, pump it up a little more, pump it up a little more, pump it up a little more. Get the party going on the dance floor. See, 'cause that's where the party's at. See, 'cause that's where the
Florida that they were having to explain crypto and blockchain to all the jurors. So question, what if, I mean, they had a whole court case fighting over the Bitcoin that everyone says apparently no one has access to. So what happens when he proves he has access to it, donates a fat chunk of it to charity? Is everyone gonna eat their words? Mountain climber, it's all on the website, brother. The videos on how to set up Market Cipher is all on the website, brother. You even just go to tutorials. And there's even on the buy section, I think there's a video that says watch this before you buy. How to buy and set it up, and your basic strategy, and the Discord, and let's go here. Right there. Just like that.
It ends when I say it ends.
Man, I would love for him to come out and be Satoshi and just see everyone just absolutely being totally wrong. See, everyone's figuring out the news right now as we speak. We should have taken more profits. It's going to be a volatile day, and so I think today the name of the game is going to be not holding our wee-wees, but getting out, getting back in, and instead of waiting for the big one, just getting out, getting in, getting out, getting in, getting out, getting in. And then we've had this much of length of profit, that, but instead of just that much. So if I can squeak out, you know, 3 or 4, well, 65. So this distance right here is $463. So here to here is $577. Man, if we, man. Huh. Yep, plane flights were good. I fell asleep on both of them. Plane flight back was sitting to kind of a fucking weird lady, I'm not gonna lie. Damn, we should have got out up. We should have gotten out up here, gotten in here, gotten out there. We should have done everything perfect. Yo, keep it fucking. Don't be saying gross shit in the chat. It's your one warning, bro. Is ooh, boys, %, just today. So far, it's up 14%. Yeah. Satoshi's vision. Satoshi's vision is, man, talk about, man. Imagine the ultimate glory he would have. It would be the biggest FU, and to be honest, it would be 100% deserved. 100% deserved. If he moves that Bitcoin at 99% of anyone you know in crypto has to eat the turd sandwich of truth. And you would see, man, I wonder how, man, so many people would be trying to make excuses. Well, he didn't get it. Well, he's done it. Blah, blah. At the end of the day, he moved it. If he donates it, if he dumps it, oh, man, it would feel good to be him for that day. Boy, if you could switch, if you could be somebody else for a day, one day, I would be Craig Wright on the day that the day I moved that Bitcoin, everyone realized that, oh shit. You know? Yeah, my thought was, years ago, is that you know, if he came out showing that shit, that he'd be putting a huge target on his back. I mean, could literally go to jail. What's up, 6K? So, listen, if he's fake, then why is that family? So why is the Kleinman family saying that him and Kleinman were the creators, and why are they suing him, trying to get half of that Bitcoin that apparently he doesn't have access to? Can you guys answer me that question? Why is the Kleinman family trying to get half the Bitcoin if they ain't there? They don't believe him. They believe their son that is dead. They believe David Kleinman. And Kleinman and Wright were the two cohorts, the two tango. Why would he disappear and come back? Nothing makes sense, man. Why people make up conspiracies for everything. People say, oh, why does CryptoFace's Discord not public? Sketch, he must be a scammer. When really, they don't understand, because an open Discord gets flooded with scammers, imposters. All my community gets attacked by fakes, scammers. Every other crypto business has an open shot. So people don't understand what they don't understand. And most of the time, shit ain't that complicated. Very simple reason behind most things. Very simple. It's not Satoshi unmasking himself now. I mean, he's been saying he was the whole time. People say there's proof he ain't. There's proof that he is too. Like, it's not just one-sided. He's been able to explain shit that other people haven't been able to. What's up, Canada? How you doing, bro?
And prancing, grooving, keep on moving, flying, stop you crying, choosing while you cruising. Music is the answer to your problems. Keep on moving, then you can solve them. If you feel that you can't take no more, and your feet are headed for the door, gotta keep on dancing and prancing, grooving.
So are you telling me, are you telling me that Craig Wright was just some random guy that had absolutely nothing to do with Bitcoin and masterfully networked himself into all the nooks and crannies. I mean, jeez. Like, it would literally be, even if he's not, let's say if he's not, and that was the true story, then that man is the ultimate shyster that has the ultimate shyst. That is the ultimate web of lies. And it's basically impossible to be able to web that much. And I know he's pushed a couple things, he's shystered a couple documents, but that doesn't mean that it's all fake. You know, just because you try to cook some books a little bit or shyster some WordPad shit. I don't fucking know. At the end of the day, you better be concerned, because if he is, Bitcoin's ruined. Ruined. What do you think the government would do when they find out that one fucking guy, which everyone hates, everyone has pissed him off, now has the control to flatten it? Flatten.
Stop you crying, choosing while you cruising. Music is the answer.
It would be the ultimate pancake,
Keep on moving, then you
and he would etch his name into history.
you can't take no more. And your feet are headed for the door. Gotta keep on dancing and prancing, grooving, keep on moving, flying, stop you crying, choosing while you cruising. Music is the answer to your problems. Keep on moving, then you can solve them. If you feel that you can't take no more, and your feet are headed for the door, gotta keep on.
We're talking about the man. Look at this man. Jeez, his eyes look black. I always enjoyed listening to him. You know why? Because he's not as boring as everyone else in the space when they give speeches. He does go on shitter tangents sometimes, like everybody else, but not as bad as everybody else. He is very educated in history, very educated in many things. The guy's got 12 master's degrees or some shit, and all kinds of different shit. Look at that suit. That is a well put together man. Shyster. McMeister. The devil himself. He's wearing a yellow tie. He's wearing a yellow tie. He's wearing a yellow tie. That's deep dickness right there. He's wearing a little Bitcoin yellow tie saying, fuck you, I win. And man, if he moves this Bitcoin, which he said to donate to charity, if he was going to win the trial, he won the trial. So we'll see. He's claimed he was going to do shit before, didn't do it. But I think a lot of you are forgetting something. Remember October? Not this October, the previous October, or the one before that. It was either the last October last year or the one before that. He said he was going to dump some Bitcoin, and it dumped. Hard. And what pumped? Bitcoin Cash at the time before. I think that was before BSV, I think. Damn, we should have taken profit. It's going to be a volatile day. I'm telling you, today is, I tell you what, if there's any winners today, it's going to be pencil next in the chat. It's going to be, it's going to be a wave pool of noodly arms going back and forth saying, I told you, it's going up, and then the other way, I told you, it was going down.
Gotta keep on dancing and prancing, grooving, keep on moving, flying, stop your crying, choosing.
Talk about the ultimate, you know what, sucking thumbnails that would come out if he moved that shit. It absolutely, how can you say it doesn't matter who Satoshi is? How could you say that? How could you say that? Hell yeah, Parko do. Me and Park are friends. Parkodu is my friend. We don't really understand each other, but got a little momentum wave crossing here. Shit, we could come all the way down to our entry. Probably will. It's gonna be a volatile day today. Ooh, what's gonna happen here? Is this gonna break and give way? Ooh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That doesn't look good.
Gotta keep on.
Nice little, this VWAL could be curving down here. Yeah, listen, she's gonna zig and zag. She's gonna zig and zag. Look at that. Zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag, zag, zig, zag, zag. I don't know, boys. What do you think? Craig found the keys. They were in his old Jabba's, his old pocket. He found the floppy disk. It's in a floppy disk. Did he find the keys? Don't fuck with me. Let's see here. Bitcoin news. Craig Wright will hold on to 54 billion in Bitcoin. Who the hell came up with this fucking title? A computer scientist claiming he created Bitcoin. Well, what a... Fire this guy. Fire who's the author of Ken Sweet? Gee, what a shocker. Candy ass. This sounds like a candy ass. Alright, let's take a look-see here. A computer scientist? Just put his name. Winner prevailed in civil trial Monday against family disease. Lawyer John found did not. Jury did award. This was a tremendous victory for offside. Andres Rivero. Just like Rodriguez, Rivero. Man, how do we see these things coming from a mile away? Okay. This looks like the same article we just read. Okay. He found the floppy! Just kidding. Alright, let's see. Cannot follow some promise to prove he's the owner of Bitcoin. Doing so would lend credence to Red's claim. Oh my god. Oh man, that would be the ultimate fuck you! It would be Rivera. And hand in hand, Rodriguez, the hidden amigo, would finally come to fruition. Man, the glory! The glory! Do you think they'll get rid of him? That is a amazing question. Now we're talking. If he moves that Bitcoin, that guy is going to need more security than Pablo Escobar, because they're going after his ass to make sure that shit don't move again. He'll get taken out. And you know, he'll be putting him, he's going to get taken out.
Advancing, grooving, keep on moving, flying, stop you crying,
So,
choosing, while you cruising.
none of these articles have said how long this trial has gone for. No one's been able to give me the answer either. Ask chat. Does anyone in chat, can someone just look up on some official government bullshit documents online that says when this happened? Okay, let me just do it myself. How about that? Okay. Here we go. Kleiman vs. Wright, case number 18 CV 80176, Bloom Reinhardt. Eric Kleiman, as the personal representative of the estate of David Kleiman, WK Info Defense Research, LLC plaintiff vs. Craig Wright defendant. Started in 2020, November 18th. Excuse me, September 18th. Background and material facts. He has the floppy. He has the floppy.
Music is the answer to your problems. Keep on
Man, who can
moving.
read this shit? I tell you. You know, they say with attorneys, they got you standing talkers and you sitting readers. I would be a standing talker.
If you feel that you can't take no more, and your feet are headed for the door, gotta keep on dancing and prancing, grooving, keep on moving, flying, stop your crying, choosing while you're cruising. Music is the answer to your problems. Keep on moving, then you can solve them. If you feel that you can't take no more, and your feet are headed for the door, gotta keep on dancing and prancing, grooving, keep on moving, flying, stop your crying, choosing while you're cruising. Music is the answer to your problems. Keep on moving, then you can solve them. If you feel that you can't take no more, and your feet are headed for the door, gotta keep on.
Volatility, man. You know, what else? What else is it gonna do? I mean, this thing's just gonna go up and down. It's just going up and down. It's what it's been doing. It's what's gonna continue to do. There is so much resistance, especially up here. Especially in the 70Ks. God willing. God willing. If we even never got there. I mean, look at this thing. This has been going sideways for 47 days. And that's just what's on the screen. This thing's gone sideways for 2 months.
Gotta keep on dancing and prancing, grooving, keep on moving, flying, stop your crying, choosing how you cruising. Music is the answer to your problems. Keep on moving, then you can solve them. If you feel that you can't take no more, and your feet are headed for the door, gotta keep on.
Oh boy, did we get out in time or what, boy? Did we get out in time? This ain't no paper hands, bro. What the fuck you talking about? We're scalp. Bro, look at the... Look, this is gonna go down. Don't know how much. and then it'll go up again. We'll get back in.
Then you can silence. You feel that you can't take no more. And your feet are headed for the
We made 40,000 in like 2 hours. You damn right I got paper hands. I got all kinds of paper in my hands. How much paper you got in your hand? Huh? Huh? You damn right I got paper in my hands. I mean, look at it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Look at that. Okay. So, well, on this time frame, I'd say we have maybe about an hour. So maybe if things go like this, we have about an hour until we can get back in again. And let's see how many times we can do this today.
Gotta keep on.
Yeah, it's on standard candles. Ooh, she just popped up on the Hikens. Gonna be a volatile day, folks. Gonna be a volatile day. It already is a volatile day. Mana. I'll look at it because I know my dad had bought some of this. Jeez Louise, where'd you look at that? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's up 5%. Wow. So, I'm not bearish. I'm just saying we're just taking a break. We'll theoretically, okay, I don't know I don't know what things are gonna look like, but as of right now, my guess is it looks something like this. Hopefully. This is what we do. We draw it out, and then we measure the assumption. The measured assumption is an hour and 40 minutes. Now, if we went to, and we get hopefully a bottom like this, so maybe in an hour 20 minutes, maybe, we'll see. At the end of the day, I'm $40,000 richer than I was hours ago. 1 hour. Still looking all right. The 2. That was for you. Ooh, look at that. Boy, look at that DBSI switch. Wonder if it's gonna come through. Ooh, look at that, baby. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this VWAP. Now that is a beautiful looking VWAP. Momentum is nice and tight up. This wave is still below the 60 line. There is a gap here, but I'm thinking, my guess is that this is just going to be a zag, and we're going to be looking for a zig. So really the best thing I'd imagine to do is to walk away for an hour. I should go start up my cars, make sure that they're running okay and their battery isn't drained. Haters in the chat. Mo knows, don't listen to these weirdos, bro. They hate. I don't see them. I don't see their I don't see any paper in their hands on YouTube. I don't see any paper in their hands on YouTube. Shit. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy that I can just pull this cash out if I wanted to and have this 40 grand. 40 grand. People work a year to get that. Isn't that crazy, man? This shit is crazy. Shit is crazy. Listen, look at that ledger. That is a ledger right there. It's got the Perpentine stitch. Looks like Bangladesh. Looks like it's from Bangladesh to me, if I do say so myself. Right on, Roland. Welcome to the family, brother. Welcome to the crusade, man. Ooh, baby, look at her go. But folks, we tried to tell you. Folks, we tried to tell you. It's not rocket science. I tell you. I tell you. If this comes down to my entry, I'll probably, we can set a few. Now we're not gonna risk too much, but we can risk a little. Actually, let me split that up. I don't want to put too much because I don't want to be showing my ass on these books. Oh wow, we would have been underwater if we were in that on the ETH position. Let's take a look at this now. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You know, we could throw something at 42.24. Why not? No real oh, jeez, that would be a long way. I'm not expecting that to get hit, but maybe. Ooh, baby. Now this 2 minute here. Now look at this 2 minute. This 2 minute's been looking pretty good when she touches down. Interesting. Here's what we're gonna do. What is that? Yeah. Oh shit, our entries. No. Yes. No, I wanted that. Oh. Alright, fuck it. What is this? Oh my god, this is us right now. We're front running. This is a bad idea. What are we thinking? Yeah, I don't know why we're front running this shit. We should just be waiting for our indications.
The market crashed on me, but that's not my last, homie. It ain't on one logical thing to do. Don't trip.
Let's do a little bit. Fuck it. Alrighty. All right, we got a mill on both. We can't have any positions less than that. That ain't happening. We gotta have some skin in the fucking game. Ooh, hey. Hey there. Hey there. Hey there. Hey there.
Trip, the market crashed on me, but that's not my last, homie. It ain't over for me. It ain't over for me. The market crashed on me, but that's not my last, homie. Only one logical thing to do. Don't trip.
Yeah. I hear you. I hear you. The low mid-range, the mid-range, absolutely, we're front running. We are absolutely front running. It's all right. We listen. We got 40 grand realized. You know, I can afford to throw a little chump change at the Flanagan. We're just throwing a little change at the Flanagan.
Ooh, wish I had one too. Making plays on trading view. Waiting on a blue triangle. I just call it blues crew. Portfolio diversified. Keep my balance classified. Get the look you terrified. But when you did, you almost died. All good before you went to sleep. Woke up to a surprise. Couldn't believe your eyes. What the hell did your money go for? You like, oh my God. What the fuck happened? Bitcoin dumping in my sleep. Woke up to a market sweep.
Why would I put stop losses when I'm right here so they could get targeted and try to fuck me? It's a different game up here. Damn, we should have bought more. The 10-year. The 10-year. If anything looks meh, it would be the 10-year. The 10-year. On Ethereum. But, you know.
Don't trip. The market crashed on me, but it's not my ass, homie. Time to rise up out the flames like a motherfucking phoenix flying high in the sky. And I motherfucking mean it. Put it all on the house. I can't help it 'cause I'm greedy. Got a family, gotta feed it. All my followers, man, they need me. We can all get rich together. Talk about financial freedom. BTC, ETH, XRP, that's a threesome. With blockchain tokens, that's your boy really eating. Cryptocurrency is a gift from God. All praises to
Right on, bro. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the crusade, Fernando.
I don't get rich like you pencil next. Well, crew, call me Spider-Man. The way I spider line. Enter with precision, then I exit trades right on time. Might tell you a secret, but I'll never drop a dime. Favorite pastime, sitting back, watching candles climb. If they go the other way, keep calm and don't trip. Gotta dip, gotta dip, gotta dip. It ain't over for me. It ain't over for me. It ain't over for me. It ain't over for me.
Did I do that? What did I just do? I'm hungry.
It ends when I say it ends. One day.
Bruh, if you're asking the chat, asking me, asking anyone when you should get out of your trade, you're in the... You shouldn't be in it. It sure does, Jeremy. Boy, I tell you, it sure does. I've lost money, made money, all because of the music. Yo.
Yo, you streaming, bro? Yo, dude, what's this Craig Wright Satoshi shit, man? Honestly, man, I need some time to like process this and how it like affects crypto. Cause like, what does this mean? Like Satoshi's vision pumps and Bitcoin dumps, or like what kind of like I kind of worry for him, bro. Like I feel like, yeah, it puts a big target on his back.
Fuck, I was muted. Because that means he's got Bitcoin by the balls, bro. All your ETF, Michael Saylor and Winklevoss twins and Mark Zuckerberg, all of them. All of them. Twitter, Pompliano, they would all get absolutely wrecked.
Well, yeah, it's like someone created it. Like, what do they? Who do they think created it? Like the aliens? You know what I'm saying? Someone out there created it. But I mean, crypto projects have creators like Richard Hart and Vitalik Buterin, and sometimes you don't like the creators. You know what I mean? But it's just funny the mystique that was created around Bitcoin. It's just so funny.
And it's funny how everyone thinks they know the answer. It's like, oh, he doesn't have access, and like they know when all they're going off of is just shit other people have said, and they only take one side. They don't listen to the other side. You know, it's funny how everyone thinks they know and they don't know.
I was
shit.
always of the stance that I don't know. It's like it's kind of like atheists versus religious people. It's like whoever makes the assertion first has to prove their shit. You know what I mean? Like no one knows the answers. You know what I mean? So I've always just kind of been on the sidelines, like I don't know. I never came out and said he's not Satoshi or he is Satoshi, because like why would you claim to know something you don't? Like that's stupid.
Are you playing WoW?
Yeah, man, I'm playing Alterac Valley right now on my Orc Rogue.
I want to play. Think we're gonna take a break from the stream because I wanna play. But I'm back in town. We got the mugs still here, so we got to get working on those.
Oh yeah,
soon.
man. Yeah, we'll all come over and we'll do like a signing thing, and we gotta get that shit shipped ASAP.
I'm gonna drink out of every mug. All right, good stream. Man, I'll probably be back later. Super scalpy day today. I see volatility, up and down, up and down. We got our first move up, took our money, made 40K, and we'll see what maybe happens later on today. No guarantees. No guarantees. The 30-minute, yeah, still absolutely has some momentum, some potential room down, but if this, we'll see. Maybe not. A lot of times, it's the biggest move is that first candle. And the momentum will be gone, but it ain't going down. So I think there's a good chance I could have caught. This could be a little bottom. I think it's a good chance. And, man, I'm going to go play World of Warcraft and hopefully see you guys later. Peace.
Yeah, it looks like it's like ranging. It looks like it just needs to range, man. I think people should assume that it's just gonna range and not assume it's gonna do something